Hey, welcome to Kaspa Daily Pulse. Here's what the Kaspa community's been buzzing about today. Alright, first big theme. vProgs and vProgs are still the main character. People were swapping real technical details, not just vibes. The clearest takeaway? The way it was described, the chain only needs three things to verify program execution: a state commitment, compressed program state, a verification key, the rules, and a proof, and the state gets replaced on each transition, not deleted. That sparked a bigger convo about how Kaspa can stay lightweight without storing every little thing forever. It's the kind of nerdy talk that makes you feel like progress is real, even if the market's being annoying. Second highlight, there's tension around how vProgs should shape the asset ecosystem. Someone summarized a devish position like, it's better to have only vProg assets and not have native assets, because having both could fragment the ecosystem and force bridges and extra complexity. That's not settled, but it's clearly a live debate, and people care because it affects how clean or messy the user experience becomes. Third, L2 drama, again, with Igra, Kaskad, and Kasplex in the crosshairs. There was chatter that Igra and Kaskad mainnet is supposedly coming in March, immediately met with skepticism and VC hit-and-run accusations. KaspaFinance.io and its token ticker KFC got mentioned as a DEFI/DEFAI suite for the Kasplex ZKEVML2. And the general vibe was, be careful. People dragged presales, questioned incentive design, and even tossed around allegations of bot-heavy meme launches, like Nacho, and distrust around IKAS presale stuff. Basically, cool story, show me it won't rug. Fourth, miners are feeling the squeeze, and it's turning into a real community worry. One person said they shut down 10 KS5 Pros because electricity costs rose while profits fell, and even had a PSU die after about 11 months. Not sustainable for small people. Others argued about whether hash rate dropping actually boosts profitability or just slows the bleeding via difficulty adjustment. And yes, the price talk was very forever 4 cents, with mentions of a range from about 4 cents to 6.5 cents for months, and some folks eyeing 6 to 8 cents as a possible rebound if momentum returns. That's it for today's Pulse. Let's see what tomorrow brings. Catch you then.